Guwahati, the scenic and bustling capital of Assam, and the gateway to the northeastern states of India. Home to more than 13 lakh people, this city is the connectivity hub for the region. Lying in the heart of this city is the Guwahati railway station. Set up in the year 1900, this station has grown along with the city. Guwahati station currently handles around 140 trains weekly and more than 1 crore passengers annually. Trains ranging from the Vande Bharat Express, Tejas, Rajdhani, Shatabdi and Vistadome to numerous mail, express and intercity passenger trains are operated from this station. However, this station has always been served by only one entry from the north side or the Pan Bazar side of the city. Now, with the active interest of the government of Assam, Railways has now been allotted a parcel of land on the south side or the Paltan Bazar side of the station. This land belongs to the Assam State Transportation Corporation and it houses the city's bus terminus and a host of other establishments. With the government of Assam and ASTC's cooperation, this land parcel will be reallocated to make a way for the much-needed second entry to the Guwahati railway station. In return, Railways will hand over an equal money value land to the state government at Jalukbari. Measuring 6,682 square meters, this land parcel at Paltan Bazar will be a boon to the residents of this ever-growing city. Apart from increasing the accessibility of the Guwahati railway station to the passengers, the second entry will also ease the traffic congestion in and around the Pan Bazar and Paltan Bazar area. The second entry will be constructed as a part of the Guwahati station redevelopment project. In the near future, the station will be converted to the next generation of transportation infrastructure in Assam and will hold up to its claim of being the gateway to the Ashtalakshmi. A memorandum of understanding is being signed today in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, to etch in the annals of history the one-of-a-kind land exchange agreement between the state of Assam and Northeast Frontier Railways.